Today, I'm going to share with you a few tips on how I pack my kids' lunches. Tip number 1, keep it balanced. I think it's so important that kids get a balanced diet each day, and a big part of that is what I pack in their lunches. So I always aim for a protein, carbs, healthy fats, fruit, and vegetables, plus a little treat on the side. This could look like a turkey cheese sandwich, which hits protein, carbs, and healthy fats, pretzels, which also hits carbs, carrots your vegetable, grapes your fruit, and some cookies for fun. Tip number 2, keep it simple. Don't go overboard. Fun shapes and lunch art are cute for Instagram, but what is most important is packing a nutritious lunch for your child. I just put together a healthy meal with what we have and call it good. Tip number 3, finger foods are easiest. Stick with mess-free lunches that are easy to pack. Keep lunchtime mess-free and keep it simple for you. Tip number 4, switch it up. Vary the lunches you pack by changing some details each day. The same food every day can build up some resistance to eating lunch, so keep it fun and fresh for your kiddos. Tip number 5, meal prep. Pre-cut veggies or fruit for the week to make lunch building simple. If it works better for you, pack lunches for the entire week on Sunday so you don't have to do it every night. Lastly, don't forget to send your child with a Parker Kids lunchbox. Our lunchboxes are roomy and practical to fit a bento box, snacks, and a juice box inside. We even include a sleeve to separate their ice pack. They feature a soft front panel so your child can customize their lunchbox with cute Velcro patches. Get your child a lunchbox that's just as practical as it is fun. Order at parkerbaby.com today.